Behind every superhero, there's a supporting character. Someone who makes stopping the bad guys and saving lives possible. And while you might not be wearing a cape or have an alter ego, running a hospital means lives are in your hands on a daily basis, and you need the right support to save the day. MEDHOST supports heroes like you every day in over 1,000 healthcare facilities across the nation. With 30 years of experience, our fully integrated EHR platform keeps your hospital running at peak efficiency. Whether you're independent or part of a larger network of facilities, our clinical, financial, and consumer engagement solutions will establish a better workflow for your staff while simultaneously creating a healthy ROI. In our support services, like unrivaled customer support, streamlined implementation, and hosting services makes it all possible. MEDHOST equips your team to meet the challenges of today while preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow. Find out how MEDHOST supports heroes like you by contacting us today.